Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all UPSC and state PSC aspirants. I am Syed Mohsin sir, founder and director of Mohsin sir IAS classes. Mohsin sir IAS classes is an online learning platform for UPSC and state PSC exams. Here we are making a short video about our upcoming 1-year online coaching program for UPSC 2023. So we will start this program from August 2022 and will continue till May 2023. Prelims cum mains strategy. So here we are providing you a detailed month-wise strategy. What we are going to teach, how we are going to cover our entire syllabus, all that. So by 5th August, we will start this 1-year coaching program and we will have 2 classes per day. In one class, we will solely focus on prelims oriented subjects. In another class, we will focus on mains oriented subjects. For example, in August, September, in these 2 months, first we will cover polity subject, mainly from the perspective of prelims, and we will cover GS3 paper of mains. That includes economy, technology, internal security, disaster management and environment. Then in October, November, December, we will focus on history, modern history, ancient, medieval, arts and culture, mainly from prelims perspective. Simultaneously, we will focus on GS2 and GS1 of main subject. GS2 includes polity, governance, social justice, IR, and GS1 includes history and society portion. Then in January, we will start our prelims skill development program. This is the best program across the country to clear prelims exam. So in January, we will start prelims skill development course. Along with that, we will have geography classes and CSAT classes as well. So we will have aptitude reasoning classes for CSAT. Similarly, we will continue mains class for GS1 and GS4 ethics paper. Then after January, we will solely focus on prelims. 2 classes we will focus on remaining subjects for the prelims and current affairs section of prelims. So in February, we will start economy mainly from the perspective of prelims. Then we will have current affair magazine discussion as well for prelims exams. Then in March, we will have environment, science and technology and test series, full length test series, mainly from the perspective of prelims examination. Then again, remaining month, we will start our revision strategy. We will have some important classes, important topics to be discussed for the prelims 2023. So in this way, you syllabus of GS 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as so it will help you to complete your mains as well as prelim syllabus within 1 month. Within 1 year of your preparation. So in this program, we will take live online classes. Further, we will provide recording of all those classes. So in personal account, we will provide you recorded lecture as well. And classes will be for 5 days in a week. And you can get 2 days for revision and 2 classes per day. And each class is of 1 hour. So you need to give only 2 hours to us. Then within 2 hours, we will ensure that within 1 year, we will complete entire syllabus of prelims as well as mains. Then in this program, you can get personal mentorship, individual care for your all doubts, issues. We will take care of all this as well. Then finally, for within this 1 year coaching program, we will have prelims test series as well. And the test series followed by discussion. So in this 1 year course, we will complete entire syllabus from the perspective of prelims and mains, and that will help you not only in UPSC as well as for your state PSC, including UP PSC, Bihar PSC, Jammu Kashmir PSC, and recently our MPSC aspirants need to note down that their pattern also reflect UPSC pattern. So if you are giving 1 year, so we will have a 1 year golden opportunity to complete entire syllabus under the guidance of excellent faculties. As you know, Alhamdulillah, I have cleared 5 prelims in a row and appear interview. Along with me, all other faculties has the same caliber as that of me. They too have appeared UPSC interview. They too have appeared multiple mains, and some other faculties as a guest faculty or for your mentorship, we will arrange some selected candidates like Nu Siddiqui sir will guide you for some time and other aspirant as well. The fee structure includes monthly payment as well. So you can pay monthly fee as well as per your convenience. So for fee and other details and for admission purpose, you can contact us on our mobile numbers 95154 55571 996 777 5430. And again, we need to ensure that in this batch, we will give you everything the aspirant demands or aspirants required to compete in this highly competitive examination. 2 years we have some excellent results. In this year prelims 2022, we have excellent result, including so many aspirants from our last 2 batches cleared this prelims, namely Muzahir, Ayub, Aditya, Tarun, Aisha, Farhana, Adiba, Nazir, Taskin, Faisal Qazi, Faisal Sheikh, Muzammil Khan, Sheikh Parvez, Atif Fasi, and Muhammad Hussain, and many more. So in entire process, mainly aspirants needed mentorship, how to prepare, from where to prepare. Program, all the faculties, including me, you will guide you to make your goal a reality of becoming IAS, IPS officers. So again, we are requesting you to take admission as soon as possible. We will start our classes from 5th August 2022 onwards. And our final selection includes this year Mahvish Tak. She is from Mumbai. She has cleared 2021 UPSC CSE, and she got 386 rank. And other result including 2020 toppers, Mr. Faizan Ahmad, he has been selected in IAS with 58 rank, and the well-known Urdu medium aspirant Asim Khan. He has been with us for our Urdu test series as well as for our prelims skills program. So all these aspirants are connected to us. So they will also come when they have free time to guide you as well. So it is a very good platform. So we are requesting aspirants and their parent to come here and making sure that your goal can be taken care of. I am Syed Mohsin sir. I am thanking you for listening to this video and share this video as much as possible. It is a very qualitative and very affordable program. Here I am not sharing the fee structure, but I am saying that we will provide installment facility including monthly fees facility. So you can contact us. Okay. Thank you very much.